Hello traders, and thank you for joining our MTM team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thirunapan here, founder of Master Markets Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. Happy New Year to everyone. It's first start now back of the year again. We're all back in the office after getting a good recharge and our holiday breaks. Right now, I'm looking at the charts, resuming our intraday trades as we do. Now, I'm taking a look at GBP USD at the moment. GBP USD at the moment, we had actually what we call a secondary pattern over here, as you can see over here. So let me just cover that one over there. You can see that we are having actually a GB secondary pattern, which is this one over here. Okay, see if I can get, yeah, there you go. You can see that more clearly now. So basically this is our secondary pattern over here. So let's remove that one, and there you go. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and what we then do is we put an entry over there for that pattern, and then stop loss for the low of that. Okay, just in case we get an outsider bar. Right, so that's what we are having at the moment, and we are projecting it basically towards, if you look at the daily, for this small bar here that is forming to go further up and form its range towards the upside. Okay, so that's the whole overall idea of this, and that's how we are trading this at the moment. So let me just put that square over the pattern over there, and at the moment, how much are we down or under? We're down a little bit of about 62.71 pounds over here, but we will just manage the trade as per normal, as we always do, and we follow our plan, and then we'll be trailing it accordingly. So we'll show you how the trade progresses throughout the day. I'll pause the video over here at the moment. Okay, traders, so as you can see over here, now our trade has progressed, and we are a little bit just breaking even, a little bit in profit over here. Remember, this is not immaterial, as we have explained in our previous video. This is just unrealized. What you need to be really focusing on is your trade management. Where we'll be trailing this every 1 hour, we'll just be trailing it behind the low of the bar. Remember that this is just one strategy that we are just trading over here, just to show you how the patience and the consistency and a good sustainable, scalable, reproducible system can reap you consistent returns. Okay, of course, if you want to learn how to build a strategy, how to build a robust SSR strategy, which is sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy, then of course reach out to us, watch our plenty of video series that we have done. Especially you can start off with our trader starter pack video series as well. Okay, right, so for this trade, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trailing it at the low of this bar, and the low is going to be 3532 4. So 3532 is where I will trail it to, 3532, and that's it. All right. Some of you might be wondering, oh, that's not much of a trail, but it is what the market is offering, and we just have to go with that basically. Okay, patience is important in this game, and you have to follow your plan, and the consistency is what wins in the end, with a true strong edge in your strategy that will win in the long run. Okay, all right, that's pretty much that. Now let me just pause the video and let's see how it then carries on into the next hour. Okay, traders, so as you can see now, it's the end of the hour. We have our bar already formed over here, and it's closed as well. So what we will do now is we will move our stop loss to the low of that bar. So that will just take us less than 1 second to do it. Let's get the number right. 135449. I'm reading it off the low here. Or I can read it off the data window as well. 135449. So I will just do it at 13544 is what we will do. So here 13544. Okay. So most important thing you must understand over here, some of you might say, Oh, Tiru, we've not really made that much or whatsoever. Remember that you have to change that mindset and thinking that we're not really doing much work over here. It's all passive. Takes us 2 seconds to change the trailing stop. Most of the work is already done pre-trade already, and all the thinking and setting up the system and all of that. Okay, and then other than that, your time is free. You can do other things. Okay, that's what this is all about. All right, that's what we teach you how to do it, and we do it in real time as well in front of you. What more better way to learn than from the people who are really doing it in real time? Okay, right. So I will leave that for the next 1 hour and we'll see how it goes. Time is very important as well because as time goes by, the volume also starts to drop. We must think of getting out live or wait until the target is set. Okay, so I'll talk more about that as after the end of this hour. All right, I'll pause it over here. Okay, traders, now here we are on our trade, resuming back. We are now up about 141 pounds. We entered the trade at 1 p.m. over here, as you can see. Now about 3 hours have gone by. It's all passive. Remember what I told you that. And now the trade is now pulling back forward to our target. We're just a little bit away, 3570. At the moment, it's at 3566, so but just 4 pips away from our target. Now, in terms of this, let's not focus now on the target. Most important thing you have control only is your trade management. So what we'll do is we'll trail our stop to the low of this bar is 3545 is what we have. So I will just do that at the moment. Okay. 13545 and that's it. Okay, now some of you may be asking, Tiru, it's at 3545, still 4 pips below our entry price. Shouldn't we just at least break even? Um, of course, there's no strict answer to that. Whatever that you do, you must follow consistently. We have done all that before when fear kicks in, you don't want to lose your unrealized profits. Remember, it's not your profits yet, unrealized profits. So what we usually will do, we'll move it just to break even. But we've had instances where the trade will come back and stop us out and then go up again, right? You see, it's not about the outcome of the trade that happens. What is really important is, are you following something consistently? That's all, okay? Don't do something out of fear. That's not what we want as professional traders. Yes, if it does come back and stop us out, yes, it is what it is, and that's what trading is about. So we can't really complain about that. But what you need to know is that your system is following a systematic methodology that over the number of trades, it will then prove to be eventually profitable or towards its expected results that you need to monitor. Most important thing we monitor as professionals is our drawdowns. Okay, that's what we are looking at. So for here, in terms of this trade manager, we'll be trailing it to the low of every 1 hour bar. That's what we'll be doing. So I'll leave that to be it. So that's the low, just to double check, 3545, and that is it. I will leave that to be it, and we'll see that how it carries on now. The trade. We are very near to our target, just 3 pips shy. Let's see how it carries on to be. Okay, traders, as you can see now, the trade has progressed further and has hit our target at 135.69. We had an intermediary target at 35.63. It did pass through that. And then finally it hit the target at 35.69. You can see it's over here, 35.70. We've locked in 210 pounds so far, the beginning trade of this year. So that's to a great start over here, as you can see, and you've seen us do it in real time. As I said, have patience, and that's why we were trailing our stop loss just for the low of every bar, even when this bar actually over here was actually turning out to be a red bar. Do you all remember? As you all saw that, and then it turned back up and shot through our target. That's why we have the patience and our plan, and everything is pre-planned, and we just consistently execute our plan. That's all you have to do. Okay, for this trade it was a winning trade, but for other trades it might not be. Just keep following your plan with that true strong edge so that it then achieve consistent returns for you. If any of you do want to know how to create this kind of robust, sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies, first beginning stop would be our Trader Starter Pack video series, which has got 10, 15 years of research which has been compiled and accumulated and put to you in front of you in terms of the video series. Highly recommend you all to watch it. Other than that, you can also book a one-to-one session with any of our trader coaches as well. Really happy to serve you guys and to take your trading to the next level this year. Alright, that's all from me for now, and as we always say till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.